In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create a group on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then tap at menu, and then among these shortcuts find groups, then tap on it, and that's where you can create a Facebook group just by tapping at that plus sign, and then just select create a group. After that, first off, you need to name your group. I'm just gonna enter some name for that group, and then we need to choose whether we want to make this group public or private. If you make your group public, anyone will be able to see who is in the group and what they post. If you make your group private, only members can see who is in the group and what they post. You can select one of these options and then hit add done. To create group, hit add create group. After that, you will be taken to this page where you can invite some users from your friends to that group. To do that, just hit add invite button next to the particular user, just like that. And then it says invite sent, so the group has been already created and the invite has been already sent to that users. Also, you can filter users by that filters like some location, like some group in common, and all these other filters. To continue, hit add next. Then you will be able to set cover photo for that group. Just hit right there and that will open up your camera roll. And let me choose some photo. Let it be that one. I can just tap on it and then I can crop it just like that and hit add save. After that, to continue, hit add next, or you can even skip this step by hitting add continue later. But I'm gonna click at next, and then we can describe the group, we can enter something here, or we can continue later, then confirm, and then we will be taken to our group page. That's how we can actually create a group on Facebook. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.